Hey guys, what we're doing today is we're doing a science experiment. It's really easy, you can do it at home, and it's our first video, so we're really excited for this. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get the milk, and we're going to pour it on a plate. You don't need quite that much, but you just want to make sure it's smooth around the sides, like this. And then, as easy as this, is you just get food coloring. 3 colors is what I'm doing. You can do what you want, and you just sprinkle it around. If this works. We don't have the best food coloring, but it should work. So as you can see, there are little dots and that stuff. And I'm doing purple, kind of a turquoise blue, and orange. So and then once you get all the food coloring, or maybe it's red, I'm not sure. But so, as you can see, there is a bunch of food coloring. You don't need quite as much, but so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this rag and you're gonna do it kind of tight, and you're gonna fold it in half, and you're gonna roll it up pretty tight, as tight as you can. And you get your Dawn soap, and you pour it on the top. Just enough to cover it with a very thin layer of soap. Dish soap works the best. So, then you get the top, and you try to make sure that the soap is going to touch the milk, and you're going to push in. As you can see, the food coloring has affected with the soap and like kind of made a river that's flowing. So it's really easy. I love this science experiment. It's by far one of my favorite. And yeah, it's pretty fun. So as you can see, I put a little bit more orange and purple, so they're affecting more, but the blue just touches it up a little. So I like these 3 colors the most. So, but you do kind of want to clean the rag after. So, yeah. So, thank you for watching this video. We're going to be doing bunches of videos, science, sports, all that kind of stuff. And we're really excited. So, thank you. Bye.